Hey everyone, it's Jessica here. Welcome to my channel. Today I have a cow moon in the background, but hey everyone, this is Jessica. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be giving a makeover to this dresser. So I found this dresser at my local thrift store and it was a lot more expensive than I normally spend on my pieces. I normally try not to spend over $25. This dresser was $40. But because of the brand and condition, I could not pass it up. So this is a mid-century modern style Bassett 9-drawer dresser in really good condition. So it definitely needs to be refinished as it has a lot of scratches on the wood. Ignore the animals. It's just not going well. I live on a farm, what can I say? So anyways, I'm gonna be giving this a makeover and updating it. So this dresser is similar to some other pieces that I've done. It has this laminate top on here, which I hate. So you know I am definitely gonna be painting over this. Do you wanna say hi to everybody? Okay, come here. Do you say hi?
Hey!
Say hi.
Hey!
Okay, go play. So anyways, if you'd like to see this dresser transformation, just keep watching. I give up.
So other than just some minor scratches and some chip veneer, this piece isn't going to need much repair work at all.
Okay. Thank you. Carry that over? Yeah. You got it?
So I started off this makeover by removing all of the 9 drawers and sanding off that old finish. Then I sanded the dresser frame and gave a scuff sanding to the laminate dresser top. The fronts of this trim in between the dresser drawers is also a plastic laminate material, so I gave that a scuff sanding as well.
There's also a large crack on this base thing. Just looks like a surface crack. So I'm just gonna fill that in so that it has a nice smooth finish. Hello, kitty.
So now it's time to give everything a good cleaning so that I can move forward with this makeover. I'm going to be restaining the drawer fronts with this dark walnut stain. Then I brought the dresser inside and I primed everything with Kilz Premium Primer. And I applied 2 coats of the primer to the wood. And now I'm going to be painting it white. Unfortunately, I didn't have enough of the Waverly chalk paint to complete all the painting, so I ended up using some old Rust-Oleum chalk paint that I had on hand, but I wasn't really happy with the texture of it as it didn't self-level nicely like the Waverly chalk paint does.
Okay, so I don't know if you can see this right here, but there's a little bleed through spot. And I was really concerned that I'd have more bleed through on this piece, but so far it looks pretty good. So what I'm gonna do to deal with this is I'm going to use my water-based sealer, polyurethane, and I'm gonna put a little coat over this, and that way it seals it and stops it from continuing to bleed through when I put my third coat of paint on.
So now it's time to seal everything up, and I am going to be using Varathane's water-based polyurethane in a semi-gloss, and I applied 2 coats to everything. Now it is finally time to put everything back together, and just a quick reminder of what this dresser used to look like. And here it is now.
I was regretting doing the white, but I actually really like how it turned out now that I have it all back together. It is really bright, fresh, and airy, and I staged it a little bit more farmhouse style instead of mid-century modern, because I think it really pulls out how bright and airy it is. And so yeah, I like the white. I was regretting my decision while I was painting it because it's better to use the right paint instead of trying to use old paint. Anyways, lesson learned there. I do have to admit it is not my best painting job that I've ever done. I should have sanded in between the coats of paint, but I didn't. Lesson learned there, I need to do that. But overall, I mean, it's okay. It turned out okay. I could have done better. So let me know down in a comment below what you guys think of this. If you like how it turned out, should I blend a different color? Should I have done something totally different? Because I know you guys have opinions and you love telling me. So anyways, let's talk numbers. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I bought this for $40. I really didn't have to put much into it. And I figured I have about $10 for the primer, paint, and sealer. So that's an all-in cost of $50. So I'm thinking I'll probably list this for $300. If I had done better job on my painting, I probably would have listed it $350, but considering, I think I'm just gonna do $300 and I'll be willing to come down to $250 if need be. I'm very glad to have this piece done. I have been procrastinating on it. That's why I have not had a video in the last 3 weeks, and it's been pretty crazy around here. But anyways, I should hopefully be back to regular schedule, hopefully, if all goes well and nothing major happens. Anyways, so thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. If you're not already a subscriber and you'd like to watch more of my videos, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below, and I'll see you guys in a later video.